we are gonna get maximum mega volume today in our hair. So my hair is freshly washed. I used a volumizing shampoo. I put in some volumizing mousse. I blow dried my hair. And this is the volume that we get. Not bad. Not bad volume. This is sort of my normal everyday volume and how I would do my hair on a normal day. But if I want extra volume, if I'm going for that little something extra, if I'm going for really big hair, I'm going to show you the trick that I use to get the maximum amount of mega XL volume that I can in my hair. So we're going to go back in with some more mousse on our dry, clean hair. And I know this freaks people out, and it did freak me out at first as well. I was afraid my hair was going to look really dirty. But once I tried it, I was so happy with the results, and I was so happy that I gave it a shot. So don't be afraid to try this one. Maybe your first time trying it, don't try it on a day where you have somewhere important to go, just in case you do overdo it, because if you use too much product on your dry hair, you could end up leaving your hair looking dirty. But less is more, in my opinion, and you can always work up to using more if you feel like you didn't use enough the first time. But if you use too much, the only option is going to be to wash it back out of your hair. So we're going to go in with the volumizing mousse. So I am using the Design Me Puff Me Volumizing Mousse. You can use this one. It's great. It works super, super well. I really love it. But honestly, it doesn't have to be this mousse. You can use any mousse that you like that's for volume in with this technique. It doesn't have to be this mousse. It's not like just this mousse will work. You can use any mousse that you really, really like, but this is the one I'm using today. So I'm going to take probably about a golf ball size amount, about half of what I would use in my wet hair. I'm going to really run that through my hands so that it's nice and evenly distributed. And I am just going to work it into the hair around my face and this whole top of my head area, really sticking to just the roots. Now, before that has time to dry, I'm going to go right in with my blow dry brush. I'm going to be using my blow dry round brush. You could also use a regular blow dryer and a round brush, or even just a regular blow dryer and a regular brush to lift those roots as you apply heat. But I'm going to, for ease of use my brown brush blow dryer and just blow out my roots like I would if my hair was wet. There we can go. You see that my hair has got way more volume than it did before we did that. It does not look dirty. It is still clean and fluffy. I honestly probably could have even added a little bit more. I think I went a little bit light on the mousse today, but it still did its job, and it has 2 times the volume that I had in my hair. And ever since I learned this little hack, I have been doing it every single time I want to get big hair, and the volume lasts me even longer when I've done this, as opposed to just putting the volume mousse in when my hair is wet and then blow drying it. Doing it a second time after my hair has already dried has helped the product have extra hold in my hair, and that volume lasts even longer. I hope this tip was helpful for you guys. Let me know in the comments how it works out for you if you give it a try, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any other videos that I put out, because I do put out 3 every single week. Don't forget to like and subscribe as well, because that always helps me keep creating content here. And thanks so much for watching today, guys. Bye.